it's enough. Let's have some fun. Come on, guys, follow me. Guys, come on. Wait, stop. Back, go back. Sit. Good job, Nala. Good job, Tiger. Hey, Leo, wake up. Sit. Yes, good job. Up, jump. Yes. Leo, jump. Yes, good. Tiger, jump. Yes. Lay down. Alright, good job. Good job. Done it simultaneously. Wait. Oh my goodness, good job. Oh my goodness, good job. There you go. There you go. Well done.
Thanks Bawai for being the sponsor of today's video. This double dog bowl is the perfect solution for pet owners who want to protect their pet's posture while eating without compromising on quality and design. It comes equipped with a slow feeder attachment to promote better digestion and teach slower eating habits. Moreover, if you stack the bowls one on top of another, you get an insulated dog bowl for keeping your pet's food and water at the perfect temperature. Its light and compact design make it easy to store and transport, making it perfect for use both at home and on the go. And thanks to its sturdy and durable structure, it works perfectly on any surface, ensuring that your pets can enjoy their meals without any hassle. Not only is the Powai Double Dog Bowl highly functional, it's also incredibly stylish. So why settle for a boring old dog bowl when you can give your furry friend the best with a Powai Elevated Dog Bowl? Get yours today and watch your pets enjoy their meal in style.
Yeah, Tiger, Nala, come find me.
Wait. 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 Dear Tiger. Yeti. Yellow. Elephant. Yes! Tiger, what was that? There you go. Wait, wait. Yes! Come here. Good job. Come here. Yes. Well done.